There are several ways to capture your Mac screen, whether you need a quick social clip or a full tutorial series. I will guide you through my most used options, beginning with the completely free built-in method. Next, we look at a mid-tier application that adds significant polish to your recordings. Finally, we cover a pro-level editor perfect for producing those extensive, long-form content pieces. Throughout this walkthrough, I will highlight each tool's limitations so you choose wisely. The grand finale reveals a workflow that transforms those long videos into automatic viral shorts, saving you editing time. Our first option leverages QuickTime, the free utility already installed on every Mac. To begin, open QuickTime from your Applications folder and navigate to the File menu for a new screen recording. You can also instantly access this feature set by pressing the Command-Shift-5 key combination. The capture interface lets you take a static image or select the record buttons to grab either your full screen or a specific area. For most quick demonstrations, I simply opt to record the entire screen to minimize any extra setup steps. QuickTime keeps the process straightforward. Choose your save destination, like your desktop, and optionally enable a countdown timer. You can also easily select your external microphone here if you intend to add a voiceover during the capture. A truly helpful feature is the option to highlight your mouse clicks, which is fantastic for tutorial walkthroughs. Once configured, you simply hit the record button, confirm your display, and your session begins immediately. Upon completion, pressing stop saves a high-quality MOV file directly to your selected location. The resulting visuals from QuickTime are surprisingly crisp due to its high bit rates and smooth frame rate capture. Inside QuickTime, the editing suite is minimal but functional, allowing you to trim the start and end points easily. This makes it the perfect choice for very short, single-take shares or as a clean source file for professional editors. However, QuickTime has significant gaps, like its inability to capture any internal system audio from your applications. It also lacks features like embedding a small picture-in-picture webcam overlay or performing multi-track edits. If you require both your face and screen in the recording, or need fancy pre-made layouts, you must look elsewhere. This naturally leads us to option 2, a mid-level application offering much more than simple screen capture. One application I rely on frequently is Tella, which functions as both a desktop app and a powerful cloud service. You can install it locally for higher capture fidelity, or utilize the web version if that suits your current setup better. Tella effectively sits between basic recording and quick post-production, giving you numerous capture settings. You can select recording resolution up to 4K, toggle system audio on or off, and manage your camera and microphone inputs all at once. The live preview feature is genuinely one of my favorite aspects of using this software. This preview lets you perfectly position your webcam feed over the screen content before you ever press record. It also provides simple layout controls, allowing easy resizing and placement of your camera window relative to your screen capture. Once you finish recording, the clips automatically upload to the associated cloud storage for immediate web editing. The web editor lets you quickly change layouts, swap out visual backgrounds, add text subtitles, and apply presets for a professional look. Tella enhances your process with several useful AI features, including automatic transcriptions and basic filler word removal. These capabilities streamline the creation of polished videos much faster than starting from raw footage alone. It's an excellent tool for creators prioritizing a smooth workflow over needing deep, heavy editing software. The main drawbacks involve ongoing subscription costs for the premium export qualities and advanced functionalities. Additionally, while great for presentations, its timeline editing power is quite limited compared to dedicated non-linear editors. Moving on to option 3, we have Descript, which I prefer for recording and editing all my long-form projects. This powerful tool acts as both a recorder and a sophisticated editor, where text serves as your primary editing interface. Whether you record locally or to the cloud, Descript automatically generates a synchronized transcript for your entire video. The game-changing feature is its ability to edit your video simply by making direct deletions within the corresponding text transcript. Its robust AI capabilities include magic trimming to remove those awkward ums and lengthy pauses from your speech. The Edit for Clarity action can trim away tangents and cleanly stitch together disparate takes into one cohesive narrative. Furthermore, it even offers advanced tools like eye contact correction to enhance your on-camera engagement. Users benefit from features like built-in green screen effects, background blurring, and powerful multi-track editing for complex productions. Descript excels at rapidly iterating and producing consistently clean, highly polished, and long-form video content. The primary barriers to entry involve the higher subscription costs for power users and a slightly steeper initial learning curve. Even with easy exports and direct social uploading like Tella, you still face the manual burden of clip selection and scheduling. To summarize, QuickTime is fast and free. Tella offers polished capture with layout control, and Descript masters transcript-based editing. But the critical missing element for most growing creators is automating the transformation of long content into a steady stream of short clips. This is precisely where a tool like Vizard truly becomes an indispensable game changer for your distribution. Vizard should not replace your recording software. Instead, view it as the growth accelerator sitting directly on top of your finished footage. Regardless of whether you used QuickTime, Tella, or Descript, Vizard's AI instantly identifies the most engaging moments for short-form repurposing. This process turns your master recording into multiple ready-to-post clips perfectly optimized for platforms like Shorts and Reels. The system even goes the extra mile by suggesting optimized captions and potential thumbnail images for you. Vizard's effectiveness comes down to 3 core automated strengths that streamline your entire growth funnel. First, the AI handles auto-editing viral clips by intelligently identifying hooks and punchlines, not just random segments. It actively seeks out those clear sound bites and attention-grabbing moments that make people stop scrolling their feeds. Second is the auto-schedule functionality, meaning you do not need to be actively online to manage your posting schedule. You simply define your preferred posting frequency and windows, and Vizard queues and publishes clips autonomously. This eliminates the constant, tedious labor of manually posting content across multiple platforms throughout the day. Third, the content calendar centralizes everything, giving you one dashboard for all scheduled activities. From this calendar, you can easily review scheduled items, make minor tweaks to clips, and manage cross-platform publishing times. The ultimate outcome is that you can focus your best creative energy on making great long-form videos while Vizard handles the distribution grind. Contrast this with relying only on Descript, where you would still be manually hunting for clips and rendering different aspect ratios. Descript provides incredible editing power, but Vizard provides the essential scalability for your distribution. For those on a strict budget, the combination of free QuickTime footage fed into Vizard is an incredibly powerful starting point. If you prefer Tella's superior live camera framing, simply feed those polished clips into Vizard to automate the short-form pipeline. If your core strength is transcript-based deep editing, start with Descript, then export the cleaned master file to Vizard to maximize clip creation. It is important to remember the trade-offs. Tella and Descript require paid subscriptions for their best features, which are often worth the investment. QuickTime remains completely free, but that low cost means sacrificing system audio recording and built-in webcam integration. Vizard itself has tiered pricing based on the volume of videos processed and posts scheduled, though a trial is usually available. Here's a practical success story. I used Descript to edit a 20-minute Q&A, tightening the pace through text edits. I then uploaded that final master file to Vizard, which immediately produced 12 distinct short clips. Vizard then automatically scheduled these clips to post twice weekly across my main social channels for an entire month. Within just 2 weeks, those short segments generated substantial new traffic back to the main long-form video, attracting several new followers passively. So, which tool should genuinely be the centerpiece of your personal recording strategy? If speed and zero cost are your priorities, stick with the native QuickTime application for capture. If you need a nicer live preview and easy in-app webcam placement, then Tella is your better mid-range selection. For heavy editing of long content, where text manipulation is key, Descript offers that unparalleled transcript-first power. And finally, if your main objective is consistent, automated growth by scaling short content distribution, Vizard acts as the essential binding agent for everything. Please leave a comment below right now telling me which of these recording tools you are currently relying on. If you express interest, I will create a separate, detailed tutorial showing my exact move through from a Descript recording into Vizard and out to social platforms. Trust me when I say that implementing this specific workflow will genuinely save you many editing hours every single week. Alright, that concludes our comprehensive rundown of the best screen recording options available today. Select the tool that naturally aligns best with your existing creative process and content goals. However, if you are serious about ending the repetitive chore of clip selection and manual scheduling, you absolutely must test Vizard in your chain. I look forward to seeing you in the next video as we continue exploring efficiency. Cheers to your success!